Hey everybody, we are back on the trail today. For today's video, we are bringing you to Kings River Trail. We are gonna see how far we can make it. Heading up, we just got on the trail. There's a long little road ahead of it before we get to the actual trail end, Kings. But we are going up the first little hill climb here. You want me to try to go first?
I'll back up.
Making progress.
Yes, Donnie and Jay and Matt are out. They're helping Matt clean up.
Let us know if you're taking the top.
I made it to the top. We made it up the hill with just 2 chains on the front. Pretty badass breaking trail through there. Go on. slow go here. I mean, we're moving. It's not stopped us yet, but it's definitely slow making this trail through here. Yep, just made it up. Oh, barely made it. man, aren't those some beautiful views? Golly. Well, we just got done with our lunch. Just got done with our fire, put that out. And we're gonna be seeing how far we can get back up the trail. And then we'll be turning around and heading back. Hope you guys are enjoying the video. Let's see if we can get stuck.
Hey, man.
Apologize to the snow machine. Don't mean to mess up your trail, but we're gotta get through here as well. Yeah. I'm breaking through right here.
Yeah, there was a couple of little water spots on this trail.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Out here winter wheeling in Alaska. We're breaking trail. It is about 5 degrees, probably closer to 0. Into Permanente Trail off of Kings. Kings was good. We didn't winch one time. We got up all the hill climbs, back down. We got to Ruby and to Frog Pond. We are just seeing how far we can get here. We've already hit a little bit of breakthrough on this trail, which is interesting. It's got a little sideways. Little sideways there.
That ain't good.
Hey, we're gonna try to get to the river and just kind of see what it looks like, and I'll probably turn around at that point and head back to the truck. Made it to the river crossing, and it looks pretty cool. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We're gonna be making our way back, and yeah, I mean, there's not much more to see at this point. It really helps us out. Subscribe, let us know what you think. Be a part of the channel, be part of the community. Let us know what you want to see. We might go to some amazing places because of what you guys suggest. So make sure you let us know. We take everybody's ideas and we put them in a little list, and we'll be working through them. So let's get out of here. Like 6 o'clock right now. Just trying to load up, but my hands are freezing, literally freezing. The truck's warming up. Jeep is still warm. Porter's in the Jeep right now, staying warm.
Need some bouncing on the way home.
Oh man, yeah.